everyone, welcome to Ecoholics. So this is a new series where I would be doing previous year questions from DSC past years. So in today's video, I'm going to do question number 14 from DSC 2020. So what does this question reads? It says that A and B play a best of 7 table tennis match. That is, the first to win 4 games will win the match. So whosoever wins the four games, he is going to win the match. The two players are equally likely to win. So the player A and player B, the probability of both winning the match is equal. Games in the match. The probability that the match will end in 6 games. So the very first thing is that they're asking the probability that the match will end in 6 games. So we need to find that. But in the options, if you will observe, we don't have numerical answers. So if you see in the solutions, we don't have numeric answers. We have answers in a theory form. So the first option reads that less than the probability that it will end in 7 games. So they are saying that the probability that match will end in 6 games is less than the probability that it will end in 7 games. And in another, they are saying equal. Then we have greater than the probability of 7 games, and then we have none of these. So in this question, our task is not just to find the probability that the match will end in 6 games. We also need to find the probability that match will end in 7 games. So then we will compare them both. So let's see the solution. So now they are saying that out of these 2 people, whosoever wins 4 games will win the match. Clear? So if I do this, then out of 6 games, I need 6 games. So if the A will win, what will happen? So if A person will win, he is going to win 4 matches and the B is going to win. Correct? Similarly, if B wins, he will win 4 matches and 2 will be won by A. That's the thing. So the match will stop as soon as a person wins 4 matches. That is the criteria because that's the rule here. So we let it like this. That match end in 6 games. So we have 2 things. One is that either A wins the match or either B wins the match. So the last match. So if A is winning the match, the last, that is the 6th match will be won by A. And if B wins, the 6th match will be won by B. So what will happen? So the first 5 matches, let's say these are first 5 matches. And this is the 6th match, will for sure A will win. Correct? And similarly 5 matches. 6th match will be won by B so that this series will stop. So what is happening? The 6th match is for sure here win by A and here by B. So out of these 5 remaining matches, what do I need? So my player needs 4 matches to win. So out of these 5 matches, so 1 is won here. So the A person need 3 matches. He need 3 matches to be won here, so that he wins the 4th match here and he can win the whole thing. Similarly for B, out of these 5 previous matches, this B needs to win 3 matches. So that the 4th match he will win at the end and he will win the series. So what I want? So probability that A wins. So what is the probability? So the very first criteria is that out of 5 matches, A wants to win 3 matches. So we will use what? I'm going to use combination. That 5C3, because in how many ways? In how many ways out of these 5 matches, A can win the match? A can win 3 matches. So they are 5C3. So that's the number of ways. So because the probability of A winning the match and B winning the match, they are equally likely to happen. So the probability will be 1 by 2. So if A win the 3 matches, the probability is 1 by 2 cube. And now I'm going to write the probability of my B. That will come 1 by 2 square because he is going to win only 2 matches here. Now, this thing Next case is that if 6th match is won by A. So 6th match if won by A, I'm going to multiply it by 1 by 2. So what do I get? I get 5C3 and this will become what? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So I can write it 2 raised to power 6. That's the thing. Similarly, I can find the probability of, so this is 2. So similarly, I can find the probability of B winning. That will also be like this because they are equally likely to happen. So the probability A wins and probability B wins, that's similar. So I can write this thing that probability match ends in 6 matches is what? Twice into 5C3 upon 2 raised to power 6. So that's the probability that the match, this series will end in 6 matches. So similarly, I can find the same thing for 7 ways. Now, I want to go to 7 matches. So out of 7, 4 will be won by A, and if 3 will be won by B, then who is going to be the winner? A is going to be my winner. So I'll put it like this. 6 matches and 7th will be won by A. Similarly, 7th here will be won by B. So now what's the criteria? So I need A to win 3 matches out of these previous 6 matches. Similarly, I need B here to win 3 matches out of 6 matches because 4th match will be won at the 7th trial. So probability that A wins is going to be what? It's going to be 6C3 because out of 6 matches I need ki A will win 3 matches. 6C3 1 by 2 cube, that's the probability of A winning and that's the probability of B winning. That's the thing. Now at the 7th match I need A to win, so 1 by 2 again. So what do I get? I get 6C3 upon 2 raised to power 7. Clear? Similarly, because A and B are again similar, so probability of B will win is going to be this only. So now if I write like this, that probability match end in 7 matches. So I write match 7. So that will be twice into 6C3 upon 2 raised to power 7. So if you will solve this, both will come out to be equal. Let's just see. So from here, what do I get? I get 6 factorial upon 3 factorial upon 3 factorial, and this will get cancelled out and I will be left with 2 raised to power 6. So from here, what do I get? I will get 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 raised to power 6. So this and this will cancel out and I'm left with 20 upon 2 raised to power 6. And if I will solve this one, what I get? So this will get cancelled out. I will be left with 5 here. So either I can leave this 2 raised to power 6 only because I need to compare them. So I will write 2 into 5C3 will become 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, 2 factorial upon 2 raised to power 6. So then I get 2 into 5, 4 upon 2. So 2 raised to power 6. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out and again I am left with 20 upon 2 raised to power 6. So what can I see? That either the match ends in 6 matches or either it's ending in 7 matches. The probabilities are same. So which option should I choose then? So I will be choosing the option where it says that equal to that probability that the match will end in 6 games is equal to the probability that it will end in 7 games. So the correct option is B. So this was the solution to the question number 14 of DSC 2020. If you want more solutions, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.